Next trick we're going to teach you is called Mach 5. This is a cool trick. Mach 5 looks neat, it's really impressive, it's kind of like optical illusion, makes it look like the string spin around the yo-yo if you do it right. So practice this one, it's worth practicing. Let me show you what it looks like. Once again, you need the split bottom mount. I'm going to say it again, go learn split the atom if you didn't already. By now you should know it anyways, but learn split bottom mount. Starts with a split bottom mount. I bring my hands forward and watch now. Let me try this again because I got into it a little bit funny there. But I come into it and notice how the yo-yo is kind of isolated in the middle as my fingers spin around it. It's a pretty cool looking trick from a sideways point of view. So what you do is you start with a split bottom mount. Bring it forward. Just like split the atom, I take my non-throw hand and bring it under the string. And with split the atom, you went under your finger. Mach 5, you go over your finger. So instead of going under before, I go over my pointer finger and I keep going. And you'll notice if you pull it tight, the yo-yo is stuck on those two strings there. That's the whole premise of Mach 5. So what you do, start again, split bottom, you go under, you come over that pointer finger, adjust your hands so they're almost exactly the same length apart from the yo-yo, like so. And this is where you're actually going to take those fingers and you spin them around the yo-yo at the same time. Looks like this. So bring it forward, and you spin right around the yo-yo, like so. I believe in a competition, this is a three, like you have to go 3 around, so 1, 2, 3. And then you come out. To dismount from Mach 5 looks like this. Once you've done your spins, you want to end with your throw hand on the top. You bring that down and underneath. So your non-throw actually ends up on top, but it's good to think about it with your throw hand on top first because that's the one that swings underneath. You pull your throw hand out and you'll notice you're actually in a brain twister mount. And so you can get out of it just like we did brain twister earlier. So one more time all together now. Looks like so. Split bottom mount. It comes over and entirely over your throw hand. And then go exactly around the yo-yo like so. Bring that throw hand pointer forward. You're in a brain twister mount. And just come out of it. And that is Mach 5.